and welcome to another edition of Virtual Storefronts Hidden Features. Welcome to Virtual Storefront. This is our nationwide feed, and you see at the bottom we have a bar graph. In order to log in, you would just go to your account, and you can just use your password. I use the iCloud keychain, and I type my VS for VS Shopping, and it'll fill in, sign in. And the reason I sign in is so that I could pin my location. And so I use my my device location, and so you go to live feed. Well, it's just showing everything that's out there, and it'll constantly be updating as merchants post. There's another one. Robbinsville just posted a few seconds ago. Anyway, we go to Explore. Now, Explore is the search tool. So you'll see all these towns, and that's for our town live feed. So you saw a nationwide live feed, but you can pick a town. But to do that, let's say I'm in Andrews, which is where I'm at, and I want to have a 10-mile range. So I go 5, 10, up to 25, and then it goes back to 5. But notice when I went to 25, it included part of Robbinsville and part of Andrews will show up, Murphy. But I'm going to pick 10, okay? And then that's so I can show you the difference. I picked it by liking it and get a red thumbs up now. And so when I go back, you see the red thumbs right there next to Andrews, so you can tell just quickly at a glance which towns I'm following. Now, when you go to your feed, and you see right here, this is my feed. So now I have a tab up here that says 10. But let's say I go to Andrews, and let's say I scroll down, I want to follow. So as I scroll down here, let's say I want to follow Monte Aben, and that's a local Mexican restaurant here in Andrews. In order to follow them, I look down in the lower right corner and I click on Follow Us, and boom, there you go. I just hit follow. Now it's following, and then when I go back, now you notice under my feed, notice at the bottom left corner is white. That's my latest choice. I have a new tab that says My Feed, and I get to see Monte Aben post. So I'm following this storefront. Every time they post something, I'll see it. And then I just click on Monte Aben and take them to the storefront. This is what I call a storefront. It's like a website for this business. And it's got, location where they're at, their phone number. You can click on the phone number. You can call them. You can click on the address. You can Google Map or Apple Map it. You can currently closed. If you click that, it gives you the hours, and then you scroll down. Here's the details, and then just like Linktree, you have buttons that this business has, so you can call them. You can go to their Facebook in Spanish or English, and you can scroll down and get an idea of what their shop looks like. In this case, what this restaurant looks like, and there's the menu, so you get an idea of what so you can decide. Look at the menu and see the prices and things like that. And you can click these tabs here. You got the storefront, which is the website. This is what's inside. We call this the keyword stack. And this is to help things find. So if I put bean dip, this store will come up in the search results feed. Here's their own personal feed. So each store has its own personal feed.